frying family. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make pancakes in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So here we have all my ingredients. First things first, I'll crack my eggs. Now let's make a pancake. Right now I just put in my all-purpose flour. And here we have milk. Ooh, looks good so far. We have a sugar. Sugar is too much, but I'll take it. Here we have our baking powder. This is half. I take some salt. Last but not least, we have our vanilla extra. I'll put the eggs and then I'll mix. And mix very good, guys. You guys, this is how it looks like so far. How are you guys doing? And by the way, guys, don't forget to like, share, follow. I want to reach 3,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. Today is Sunday. We're going to church, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. And we're going to talk about Jesus when I'm done cooking. I'll come down later. So you guys, this is how it looks like. Now it's time to fry. Take this. I'll wash my hands and then we're going to go fry. Hey guys, I just got my spoon. Now let's fry. You guys have to do it on a low heat. Now let's fry. This is how my pancakes looks like. I'm gonna leave it for 1 minute and I'm gonna come back. So you guys, can you see my pancake? I'm gonna be doing this over and over until it's ready. Looks so good. So you guys, this is the last one. And by the way, guys, this is how it looks like. you guys, it's time to serve. Now let's serve. I pray, wash my hands, and eat. Amen. Amen. Lord bless my mommy, bless my daddy, bless my baby sister, bless my baby brother, bless me, bless everyone in this world, bless the people who's in the hospital, bless Jesus to bless everyone, bless church, bless me, and Jesus Christ, the Son of Lord. Amen. So you guys, I wash my hands and eat. Look at this. By the way, guys, these are for those who made it to the end. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go bed and go to church. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Hi everyone, my name is Luciano. Watching the Kang family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Like, subscribe, and follow. So today we're going to church, and today's Sunday, the 8th, and today's December 8th, 2024.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Papa, we're in the church. Let's go.
This angelic
Church looks so good. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Thank you guys for watching.